Heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion are common terms used to label upper digestive issues that are not related to an ulcer. In addition to heartburn, symptoms of acid reflux and indigestion can include difficulty swallowing, feelings of pressure or heaviness after eating, sensations of bloating after eating, and stomach or abdominal pains and cramps. Causes of heartburn. Heartburn and other symptoms associated with acid reflux are most often caused by the flow of gastric juices up the esophagus. This leads to a burning discomfort that radiates upwards and is made more uncomfortable by lying down. Most often, reflux is due to the altered function of the circular valve that separates the esophagus from the stomach, known as the lower esophageal sphincter, LES. Sometimes, the dysfunction is due to mechanical factors such as hiatal hernia, pregnancy, or obesity. It can also be a result of overeating or poor digestion. With the relaxation of the lower esophageal sphincter, there is a reflux of the stomach content up into the esophagus. The reflux is composed of acid, bile, pepsin, and other enzymes that can lead to damage or irritation of the esophagus. The reflux can also be caused by cigarette smoking, chocolate, fried foods, carbonated beverages, alcohol, caffeine, drugs for high blood pressure, antidepressants, hormones, antibiotics, chemotherapy agents, and bisphosphonates. Symptoms can be particularly severe when a person is lying down. In this video, we will take a look at the top 6 vitamins to stop acid reflux naturally and permanently. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Please speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is becoming increasingly popular as a treatment for acid reflux. It is believed that the acidic properties of apple cider vinegar can help reduce the symptoms of acid reflux by reducing stomach acid levels as well as helping to improve digestion. Studies have shown that drinking 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before meals can effectively reduce the symptoms associated with acid reflux, such as heartburn and bloating. Apple cider vinegar can also be used in other ways to treat acid reflux, such as inhaling it through a vaporizer or adding it to foods and drinks. Number 2. Ginger. Acid reflux is an uncomfortable condition that can cause heartburn, chest pain, and difficulty swallowing. Fortunately, ginger can help treat this condition naturally and permanently. Ginger contains powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the esophagus and stomach lining. Therefore, when taken regularly, it can help stop acid reflux from occurring. Additionally, ginger helps improve digestion and reduce stress levels, which may also contribute to a reduction in symptoms of acid reflux. Taking ginger on a regular basis is one of the most effective natural remedies for acid reflux available today. Number 3. Folic acid and vitamin B6. Folic acid is a type of B vitamin that has been shown to be beneficial to those suffering from acid reflux. Studies have demonstrated that this vitamin can reduce the risk of acid reflux symptoms and even help stop them from occurring entirely. Folic acid works by blocking the production of stomach acids, which are responsible for causing the burning sensation associated with acid reflux. In addition, it also helps strengthen the walls of your esophagus, thus preventing any further damage caused by frequent stomach acids entering your throat. By taking folic acid regularly, you can stop acid reflux naturally and permanently without having to rely on medication or other treatments which may have side effects. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. Number 4. Probiotics. Acid reflux is a common digestive disorder that can cause heartburn and discomfort. Many people have turned to probiotics to help alleviate the symptoms of acid reflux and help reduce the likelihood of recurrence. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria which are found in certain foods or supplements, and they can help rebalance the natural bacterial flora in your gut, leading to relief from acid reflux. Number 5. Zinc. Zinc is a naturally occurring mineral that can help ease symptoms of acid reflux. It works by reducing the amount of acid produced in the stomach and helps to keep it at a safe and healthy level. Zinc can also be taken as a supplement or found in foods such as meat, fish, nuts, and dairy products. When used correctly, zinc has been shown to reduce acid reflux symptoms naturally and permanently. Additionally, zinc is essential for healthy digestion and helps to improve overall gut health. Number 6. Betaine HCL with Pepsin. Betaine HCL, also known as hydrochloride, is a naturally occurring compound found in many foods that can stop acid reflux permanently. Betaine HCl is a natural remedy for acid reflux that has been gaining attention as an effective long-term solution to the problem. It works by neutralizing stomach acid and reducing pain and discomfort associated with acid reflux. Additionally, it helps to heal the digestive tract and reduce inflammation. There are many ways to use betaine HCl, including taking supplements and adding it to food or drinks. Other ways to prevent acid reflux. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid leaks back up into the esophagus, causing discomfort and other symptoms. It can be painful and uncomfortable, but there are some simple lifestyle changes and home remedies you can use to help prevent it. Here are some of the best ways to prevent acid reflux. Eating smaller meals, avoiding certain trigger foods, avoiding lying down after eating, quit smoking, elevating your head while sleeping, and taking antacids or medications as advised by your doctor. By making these simple lifestyle changes, you should be able to reduce the frequency of acid reflux episodes. Several natural remedies may help acid reflux, including vitamins and supplements. Supplements like betaine HCl with Pepsin, B vitamins, melatonin, probiotics have been shown to ease acid reflux symptoms. Combine these supplements with other healthy lifestyle and dietary changes to reduce acid reflux. To learn about the 8 best vitamins to unclog your arteries, go ahead and tap on this video on the screen now. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. I am so grateful that you have watched my video today, and as always, I wish you happiness, wealth, and health. Thanks for watching.